Agile, also pronounced as Agile. This is round the corner from last 20 years and implemented in all kind of organization, be it IT firm, be it engineering or automobile sector. So before we learn about Agile, we should understand what are the benefits of it. Unless and until we understand the benefit, we will not able to understand why, what, and how of Agile. So here you can see in this presentation, I have jotted down 6 major benefits of Agile. So let's start with frequent delivery with quality. So Agile will help you, it will enable you to deliver frequently. That means it will short down, it will cut your release cycle. If you are delivering in 6 months, with the implementation of Agile, you will able to do it in few weeks, few months. Next come predictability. Agile helps you to be more predictable. Agile helps your team to be more predictable. So if you are more predictable, that means you are more in control. We will talk about it later. It's allowed changes. It's not that your requirement is freezed, your cost is freezed, so you will not take any more challenges. You will not listen to your customer. So it enables you to allow changes during development. That means you can listen to your customer anytime during development. Business and customer focus. Agile is more toward business and customer focus. And of course, when you are more toward business and customer, when you will more listen to them, you will more get more business engagement. Agile bring a lot of engagement. It doesn't talk about silos. It talk about stakeholders, development team, customer. Everyone should work together. They should work as a collaborative manner. So Agile bring a lot of engagement and transparency as well. So Agile doesn't talk about much about hierarchy, doesn't talk much about uh, s- working as silos or as a different team, as like you are a tester, you are a development team, or you are a technical writer. It's talk about a single team. It's more talk about transparency. So we will talk about all these things later when we move go ahead. So what we can see here, what are the benefits of Agile you can see here? These are frequent delivery, predictability, allow changes. It's more business and customer focus. It brings a lot of engagement and it helps you to become more transparent. So we understand what is the benefit of Agile. Now, when you understand the benefit of Agile, you must now know what is Agile. So when I was trying to find the definition of Agile, bookish definition of Agile, I did Google search and I was not able to find a single statement or single definition which can satisfy me. So I shortlisted these 3 different definitions for you, which can truly tell you what is Agile is. So here in the first definition, you can see it talks about creating and responding in uncertain environment. So Agile enable you, or Agile is something which helps you to create and respond in a very uncertain and turbulent environment. It's an umbrella with values and principles and Agile manifesto. So I'm more talking about Agile software development. Agile software development is a kind of big umbrella which is consists of values and principles. All these are jotted down in Agile Manifesto. You can easily go and search Agile Manifesto, and there you will get all the values and principles. Although we will be discussing more about it coming slides. And the third definition is about collaboration, self-organizing, and cross-functional teams. As we see in the benefits of Agile, that it helps us to be more engaged, it helps us to be more transparent. So when your team is self-organized, is cross-functionals, and when you're working in a collaborations, all those things will be there. So what we see, what is Agile? Agile is something which helps us to create and respond during uncertain or in a very turbulent environment. What do you mean by turbulent, uncertain environment where requirements may be changing now and then, where environments are not very settled, something is down, something is up, things are not working as per expectations. So all these things have comes under turbulent environment. It's a big umbrella, means like Agile is a big umbrella, and under it there are a lot of different frameworks, okay, and which follow the values and principles of Agile. And Agile Manifesto, of course, we'll talk about it. And also, Agile is more collaborative, and it talks about self-organizing and cross-functional team. Hope you understand till now what I have discussed. I have discussed about benefit of Agile. I have talked about what is Agile. Now it comes after years of learning, I realized